So we are back with another video. Now everyone's probably wondering what this is. Now with the hot glue gun, I just whipped up I don't know if you want to call it a 3D model or not, but it's got a Domino's box for a top. Ooh la la. And basically what it is I bought a 3D printer, and I just wanted to calculate the print size since they gave me the dimensions on the photo. So it's just a good visual representation of, I don't know, just to see I guess the print size is all it is. But the thing is, I want to actually see things, a visual person, I want to actually see it. So I end up obviously gluing up a bunch of cardboard. So it's 210, 210, 205. So all that is in millimeters. So, and when you see 210 on the ruler, it doesn't really look like much, but when you actually get it into a cube size, which is how it should be portrayed, then it actually looks, it's actually a fairly decent size. So you can see those 3D printers that can print like 400 mil high. That is extremely tall. Not that I'm saying I would ever want to print anything that high. I would basically just want to print small little parts. But yes, that's just a good representation if anyone's buying a 3D printer and they've listed the dimensions on the printer itself, on the build plate, and what the height and the width is that you can print. Just whip up a little cardboard model so you can really represent or really kind of see it better. That way you can get a really good understanding for how big it is. Because on a ruler, I mean, you look at it and it kind of looks big enough, but I like to see it in a 3D design. And obviously this is centimeters, but yeah. So anyway guys, that will be it for tonight. I just whipped this up, probably took about 2 seconds. Not really 2 seconds, but you get the idea. Like, comment and subscribe.